Hey guys, Dave Mello here with MarineMax Brick. Today I'm standing on a Sailfish 272cc. One thing that I like about this boat is that you have the versatility of being able to not only cruise the boat, but you can also fish the boat as well. You have these seats that pop out easily, so when you have guests on the boat, tons of room for seating, and very quickly you can fold right into the funnel, opening up the space for fishing. Moving forward, I'm going to show you the helm. We went with the twin Garmin setup. This boat is powered by Yamaha outboard engines, and we also have Yamaha joystick control as well. Beautiful, very comfortable helm seats here. I'll cut across this way, give you a quick peek at the head. Moving forward, we have tons of seating here, forward-facing backrests that also stow away, and then of course a nice seat here that's good for two people. Again, just a quick walkthrough on the 2025 Sailfish 272cc. My name is Dave Mello. If you'd like to get more information on this boat, or perhaps would like to come by and see the boat in person, give us a call, 732-840-2100. Thank you so much and have a great day.